die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video we're going to be comparing two Armaf fragrances. Club de Nuit Intense for Men, the ever popular Club de Nuit Intense for Men, and a relatively obscure one, Le Parfait pour Homme. And at the end of the video I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway, as I've got everyone's entry in my favourite hat. So I will be pulling a name from the hat at the end of the video. So if you've entered the giveaway, stay tuned till the end because I will be picking out the winner. One last thing before I get into the fragrance comparison, I did start an Instagram for the Aussie Marcel YouTube community, and that is Aussie Marcel on Instagram. So just go onto your Instagram, follow at Aussie Marcel. I've got a profile there. It's pretty bare bones at the moment, but I'll work on it. It's going to be focusing on fashion and fragrances, you know, two things I know a lot about. So yeah, if you're at all interested in getting out there, being part of the community, definitely follow at Aussie Marcel on Instagram. I really debated for a long time whether or not I was going to start an Aussie Marcel Instagram, and as much as I despise social media, I think it's just sort of like the law of the land at the moment. You gotta be on Instagram, you gotta be on Twitter, you gotta be on this. I will not create a Twitter though, I can promise you that. I'll bet my entire fragrance collection on it. I will never create an Aussie Marcel Twitter. Go ahead, hold me to that. So I've got two tester strips here. I will be spraying Le Parfait on one of them and Club de Nuit Intense for Men on the other one. Le Parfait is an interesting one because it's pretty close to Club de Nuit Intense for Men. So I just wanted to do the side-by-side comparison. Here is the presentation. And there's a good chance you've already seen Club de Nuit Intense for Men, but I'll just show you again now. Both of them can be found in Australia for around the $40 mark. Le Parfait first. I get a lot of lavender in this one that isn't apparent in the Aventus DNA or the Club de Nuit Intense for Men DNA. Intense for Men is smokier and there's more citrus in it. Le Parfait has a smoothness that Intense for Men does not. They are very close to one another. I reckon they're about 90% similar. But Intense for Men is very obviously a Creed Aventus clone, whereas you wouldn't be wrong for thinking that Le Parfait smells different to Creed's Aventus, although it is still pretty close. It just has a smoother, creamier, more lavender forward sort of feel to it, whereas Intense is just very masculine. It's like a hyper masculine fragrance. But in my experience, they both perform pretty decently. It's well established here online that Club de Nuit Intense for Men is an excellent performing fragrance. I mean, it performs better than Creed's Aventus, but Le Parfait is no slouch when it comes to performance. This one does perform pretty well, although not quite as strongly. I think that if you're somebody that wants a smoother or creamier interpretation of Creed's Aventus, somebody that wants almost a more cologne feeling Creed's Aventus, something that's slightly weaker, smoother, perhaps more mainstream and mass appealing, then Le Parfait may be an excellent option for you because it is a gentler fragrance. It doesn't have that sort of astringency, that bitterness in the opening that Club de Nuit Intense has. But I still prefer Club de Nuit Intense for Men. I mean, it's my fragrance of the day. It smells incredible. I haven't seen a lot of coverage for Le Parfait online, so if you've ever worn this one, let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys have to say. And now it's the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm not going to be looking. I'm mixing all of the names up. I won't edit this either, so you can see it's all legit. Alright, I've got one. And the winner is Adrian Castaneda. So Adrian, follow the Instagram for Aussie Marcel and get in touch with it. I'll get your address, I'll get these samples sent out to you, and congratulations to Adrian. Now, for everyone that's a little disappointed about not winning this, I'm actually going to be doing a giveaway for Armaf's Parfait. Same rules apply, you've got to be subscribed to the channel, you've got to be in Australia. Just drop a comment saying you're entering the new giveaway. I'm going to give this one a week. So if you want to win a basically brand new bottle of Armaf's Parfait, drop your name, drop your entry below. I love giving people a chance. So yeah, if you want to enter this giveaway, drop a comment below, and even though you just won, Adrian, you're free to enter this one as well. So drop a comment below if you want to enter this Armaf giveaway. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.